This is the Ulefone Armor X16 Pro, a tough, next-gen rugged smartphone that's built for the extreme. Whether you're out hiking, working on a construction site, or just someone who drops their phone a lot, this thing is made to handle it all. And the best part, it's brand new for 2025, probably the best budget rugged phone out there right now. So let's take a look, starting with the unboxing. Alright, here's what you get in the box. You've got a user manual and warranty card, a screen protector, a 33 watts charging adapter and Type-C USB cable, and of course, Armor X16 Pro itself. Now let's talk about the design, and yeah, it definitely stands out. The phone has this post-apocalyptic industrial kind of look. The moment you hold it, it feels like armor. It's chunky in the best way with grippy textures and reinforced corners. It comes in two colors. One is called Sand Dune, which has a cool desert military vibe, and the other one is Wasteland Shadow, a stealthy black finish. Both look super rugged and ready for anything. And although it weighs about 394 grams, it's actually lighter than a lot of other chunky rugged phones. So yeah, it's definitely tough, but still usable as a daily phone. Oh, and I almost forgot to show you. This phone also comes with a protective armor case, and it's packed separately in the box. It adds extra durability and includes a belt clip and a carabiner attachment, which is super handy if you're hiking, working outdoors, or just wanna clip it to your gear. The phone is IP68 and IP69K rated, and also military standard certified. That means it's dustproof, waterproof, drop-proof, basically life-proof. You can throw it in the mud, drop it on rocks, even rinse it under a tap, no problem. And on the front, you've got Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It's up to 4 times tougher than older glass, so you get extra scratch and impact protection. Let's talk about the screen. You're getting a 6.56-inch display. It's an LCD panel with HD plus resolution. It looks pretty decent outdoors, and it gets really bright, up to 910 nits, so no worries under sunlight. One thing I really like, it's got a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling and animations feel really smooth. Plus, there's a hole punch cut out right in the center for the front camera, so the screen stays nice and clean. And even though it's a rugged phone, the bezels on the sides are actually quite thin, just 2.3 millimeters. So you're getting a lot of screen. The Armor X16 Pro has a 10,360 mAh battery. That's massive. You can go days without charging, up to 555 hours on standby or 56 hours of talk time. And when you finally do need to charge, it supports 33 watt fast charging, which is nice. It even does reverse charging, so you can use it to charge up other phones or devices like a power bank. Performance-wise, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G chip. It's a mid-range processor built on a 6nm process, so it's efficient and powerful. For memory, it's got 8GB of RAM, and it supports up to 8 more with virtual RAM, so you get 16GB total for smooth multitasking. Storage-wise, it comes with 256 gigs built in, and if that's not enough, you can expand it with a microSD card up to 2TB. It runs the latest Android 15. And it comes with Google's new Gemini AI assistant, plus an AI recorder that can transcribe phone calls in real time, which is actually super helpful if you take calls for work. You also get some solid features like dual SIM 5G, NFC with Google Pay, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, a customizable shortcut button, and even a super bright 133 lumen glare flashlight, which is awesome for camping or emergencies. That's insane for a phone. Up front, there's a 16 megapixel selfie camera in that center hole punch. It's perfect for video calls and outdoor vlogging, nice and sharp. Around the back, you get a 64 megapixel Sony sensor It also comes with a 25 megapixel infrared night vision camera. And to top it off, there's a 2 megapixel macro lens for those detailed close-up shots, like insects, flowers, or textures. Let's take a look at some real-world photo and video samples. I'm recording this video from the Ulefone Armor X16 Pro. From the front camera, which is 16 megapixel, this is the video at 1080p FHD. There's no FHD plus, only FHD. So this is the result from a 16 megapixel. I'm walking slowly. Now I'm recording a video from the back camera. It offers 2K video recording. This is 1x right now and I'm walking slowly. Let me show you the zooming results. This is 1x. It can zoom to 2x. This is the 2x result. While video recording, you can zoom till 4x. This is the 4x. And this is 1x. The video quality from the back camera looks pretty nice. It offers 2K. So you can also do vlogging from this phone, and this is the result you get from the back camera. So if you're looking for a phone that's built rugged but still looks like a normal phone, something packed with serious power, long battery life, night vision, and solid cameras, then the Ulefone Armor X16 Pro is definitely worth checking out. I've dropped the link down in the description if you want to grab one or learn more. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Mr. Laowai English Tech, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.